Today we are going to see quantifiers, okay, much, many, and a lot of, and we are going to see the difference between the use of each one of them. Okay, we are going to see the meaning of quantifiers, what's the difference between much, many, and a lot of. Okay, the meaning of quantifiers, much, many, and a lot of. Quantifiers, that all mean a large amount of something. It means a lot of something, a large amount of something, which means the quantity of something. Okay, means the quantity of something. Okay, now we are going to see the difference between much, many, and a lot of. Okay, many, we use many with countable nouns. Okay, every one of you are going to ask a question, what does mean accountable? Okay, we have seen accountable and uncountable nouns in advance. Okay, now countable nouns like boys, cars, schools, and teachers. Okay, something that we can't count. Okay, something that we can't count. Now, much, we can use much with uncountable nouns, which means that something that we cannot count, which doesn't take an S. It's always like it is in a singular form, but they are instead plural and singular at the same time, like honey, money. Okay, honey, money, water, wind. Okay, all these nouns are uncountable, so we are going to use much with these kind of words. Now we are going to see when we are going to use a lot of. Okay, we use a lot of with both countable and uncountable noun, but it is used almost with affirmative sentence. When I say we use it with almost with affirmative sentence, this does not mean that we cannot use it with negative, but we use it almost with affirmative sentence. Okay, examples: they have a lot of friends, or I have a lot of money. Okay, or I have a lot of time. Okay, like in this sentence, we notice that we can use it with countable and uncountable noun. Okay, now we are going to see how we use much, many, and many in questions and negative form. We usually use much and many with question, okay, and negative form. Like, is there much employment in the area? It is much employment in this area. So since we have question here, we use much with uncountable noun. How many eggs are in the cake, in this cake? How many eggs are in this cake? So here we have eggs is countable noun, and we use many. Okay, like this sentence we will have after that. Do you think many people will come? It is pouring with rain, but there wasn't much wind. There wasn't much wind. There aren't many women judges. Okay, like when we can use much and many in affirmative. We can use it also in affirmative sentences. In affirmative clauses, or we sometimes use much and many in more formal style when we want to be formal. Okay, when we want to be formal. So when we are writing a letter to a director or to have a job, we cannot use a lot of, so we use much and many to be more formal. Okay, so this is the use of how to be formal. In affirmative clauses, we sometimes use much and many in more formal style. Okay, there is much concern about drug addiction in USA, or he had heard many stories about Yantu, and he knew he was trouble. Okay, now since we do our lessons, somebody can you give me some words with many and others with much? Okay, Toys, yes. Good, excellent, yes. Somebody else? Chairs, yes. Many chairs, many toys. Since we have countable nouns, we use many, excellent, yes. Much water, yes. We see much water, but I drank much water. But I can say I drank many glasses of water, because here glasses is countable. Pay attention, okay? I say I drink much water, but I drink many glasses of water, because here we have glasses is countable, okay? Other words, yes. Many windows, yes. Excellent, yes. Okay, yes. Some other examples. Somebody is going to give me other examples. Yes. Much honey, yes. Yes. Much wind, yes. Excellent. Now we are going to solve these exercises, okay? So here use many and much in these exercises, okay? The first sentence, we don't see flowers in winter. My daughter spent too money. There weren't cars in city yesterday. Thank you so for your help. You didn't drink last night. Do you know people in Spain? There are different insect species. Yes, I don't speak French. She doesn't have time to hear. There wasn't noise that I couldn't sleep. Are there houses painted in blue? If you have two mistakes, you will not pass the test. Okay? So try to answer all these sentences, and after that try to stop this video, and after finishing your exercises, you are going to see the answers of this exercise. And good luck, okay? And I hope you stay home, okay? Stay home and save lives, okay? See you next time.